Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna decorate these beautiful bird cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. Take an edible marker and divide the cookie into sections. Now outline the eye and then flood the section around it. Now take white royal icing, 15-second consistency, and outline and flood this section. Take the same yellow we used for the head and make the belly. To make the tail, I'm dividing this section into long strips. We're gonna have to let these crust and then we'll come back again and we will fill the remaining sections. To make the eye, pull the icing slightly with a needle tool, creating a teardrop shape. Now take the peach colored royal icing and make the feathers. Here we're gonna finish the tail. And now you can fill in the gaps with peach royal icing. Make the beak. Now take some purple and pipe a large dot on to the eye. Using peach royal icing, piping consistency, pipe lots of dots around the eye. Some of them are smaller, some of them bigger. Now take some purple and add more dots. You guys, I hope you can relate to me because I just love dots. I love polka dot and I am going to include dots in my designs whenever I can. And I really think we need a little more dots here, so I'm going to add just a little bit more. We're gonna finish up the beak here, and that's how you can make these beautiful bird cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video despite all the dots. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.